Hi guys, I am so excited you're here today. We have a crafty collaboration hop between Not Too Shabby and Pear Blossom Press. This is going to be an exciting hop sharing lots of inspiration for Not Too Shabby's brand new release using Pear Blossom Press light up products. To see all the inspiration, check out the playlist in the description box. And each company is giving away a $25 gift certificate to their shop. We will have a link in the description box so you can enter into the giveaway. Don't forget to leave lots of love for both companies, whether you're purchasing products or supporting them with lots of crafty love by leaving comments on their video, Facebook page, Instagram, on their socials. That really helps out small business. So we do appreciate your support and thank you for joining us today. I'm really excited to share the brand new release from Not Too Shabby, and then we are going to make a light up card. And I can't wait to play with these products that Pear Blossom Press sent me. So they have this really neat little stamp set where you can stamp in like the push, blow, scratch off, handmade for you. This is really cool because then the recipient knows what to do with their card. So these are the Halo Light combo packs, and these make your light up cards so fun and so easy. There is a 6-pack that they sell and a 3-pack, so you can pick up the one that makes more sense to you. So I am excited to play with this. And the pack includes batteries, so you have everything you need to create this light up card. And then I did stock this in the shop because I thought this was genius. I love this T-square ruler, A2 size. So if you're looking to line up your mats and get everything straight, this is really handy to have. I've got some vellum, translucent colors, 45 sheets. So there's different colors in here. So this is fun. So if you wanted to do a light up card and have these different colors, that is fun. Let's take out one of these light up features and see what it looks like. So it looks like you just snap these apart, and then the inside you're going to snap those apart too. These are different pieces that you'll use. That's really easy to do. And then you can just get your pliers and kind of like wiggle that back and forth right there. There. And then you put your battery in there. So it does come with batteries. And I'm just going to pop one of these batteries out so we could test out the light. And you're just going to slide it on in there, plus side up, and then you're going to press this button. I mean, how cool is that? So let's see what the gold looks like. So that's really neat. So we got all these colors. That is really neat. So I really like that. There's a soft, like a white silver color, a nice buttery color. So let me put that to the side. We're gonna have to use one of these colors. The gold's gonna go really pretty with this paper pad. And then I'm gonna tell you about our bundle that we have. Okay, so there's the smaller pack, and let me put all this together so I don't lose everything. So I'm so happy you guys are here. I hope you guys hop to each creator and see what they've created for you. So in the bundle, and then I'll show you these cards that I did. So this was done with the Pear Blossom Press shaker pouches. Pear Blossom Press also has these great shaker pouches, and Lynn designed her die to fit these shaker pouches in the shaker domes over at Pear Blossom Press. So how cool is that? This is the ultimate snow globe shaker die. Now you can make shakers with this, or you can make regular snow globes. It doesn't have to be a shaker. So if you didn't want to do a shaker, you could just do a snow globe like I did on this card here. So isn't that pretty? And this is all using the paper that comes in this bundle. And then I just did ornaments with the circle. There's a little ornament topper right there to turn your circles into ornaments, and I thought that turned out super pretty. This is just washi tape I used for strings, and the enamel dots will come in your bundle. And then I'll show you this card. You don't have to always do a Christmas card or a holiday card with your snow globe, so how fun is this? And this is using the Birds in Paradise paper and ephemera. So let's take a closer look at this die. So you get a snowflake, a deer, a snowman, this little landscape of a house and a tree, a snow hill die. You get your base. There's a die inside, that's your nameplate, your smaller one. So you get two sizes. You get 4 different circles. So 2 of them you can put together and create a frame for a shaker. Also in the bundle and sold separately, we have Winter Wishes. Now this is really great because I've designed the sentiments to fit perfectly in this nameplate. So they curve and they kind of flare out at the ends to fit in here very nicely. So you can see an example here, how nice that fits there. So we've got all kinds of sentiments: Merry Christmas, Home for the Holidays, Happy Holidays, Winter Wishes, Jingle All the Way, Merry and Bright, So Much Fun, Seasons Greetings, Hello Winter, Let It Snow, Cozy Days, Frosty Fun, Thank You, Merry Hello, Let It Snow, Mistletoe and Kisses, Sweater Weather is Better Weather, and then some snowflakes. These larger stamps here fit nicely in the small snow globe, or they'll fit in the large snow globe, of course. So if you wanted to use it as your main feature in your snow globe, it would look really pretty, heat embossed with like gold or something like that. So also in your bundle, you're getting Cozy Christmas ephemera pieces. So these match perfectly with the Cozy Christmas paper pad. And this is beautiful. It's so rich, the colors. Look at that beautiful dark or deep burgundy red and that green. So pretty. There's a cute teddy bear in there, some cupcakes, poinsettias, a floral print, some little pine sprigs, some pine trees, snowflakes, glitter, this grungy color that I used for the base of the snow globe here. So we'll work with that. And then you're also getting this vintage Christmas charm sparkling enamel dots, perfect for topping off your cards, that little extra sparkle. So we're gonna go ahead and make a light up card today. I really want to use the teddy bear print. This vellum from Pear Blossom Press, it matches perfectly. So I'm going to do a window with vellum, and then I might do acetate on the top. And then I'm going to use the little teddy bear ephemera piece. We're going to use this as the base again. I think I want to have my circle right about there. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out my circle. I can use my T-square ruler to kind of measure both ends to make sure that I have it centered. Now I'm going to use both circles to create a little frame. I'm going to add some foam tape to the top. I'm going to glue in some of this vellum. Let's put a little on the sides. I'm going to add some glue here so I could line up I just want to line up my light up feature. And I want to just make sure it's even. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to fill in the rest with my foam tape. I was thinking maybe to put some sequins in there so it'll make a little noise. You might not be able to see it because of the vellum, but you can still shake it. So I'm gonna sandwich this in between there so I can flip over everything and then paste it on my card base. And there's probably a simpler way to do this. You'll see other different ways everyone's done their little shaker or light up feature. So it'll be interesting to see. All right, I'm gonna flip over my card and try to line this up as best as I can. Okay, and then I have my circle I want to put right here. And then we can press and we got a cute little light up feature. And then I thought I'd decorate with the little bear. And I don't have that special kind of ink that is great for vellum. Something like a stays-on ink. So I'm going to stamp out my sentiment in a little circle on regular paper. First, I'm going to ink the edges of my cardstock because I don't want it to be stark white because there's no white on my card right now. So I will leave the middle white. Just tones it down just a little bit. And then my base of the card is going to go here. And I forgot I wanted to tuck in the bottom of this frame like this. So I still can do that. So what I'm going to do is snip off, keep the ends. I'm just going to snip off the middle. And then I want to stamp in Push Me right here. So we're going to also do that. And what I'm going to do is just tuck this under like so. Okay, so we have a cute little stand. I'm going to get my cute little stamp from Pear Blossom Press and stamp in that push or press sentiment right there on my snow globe base. So press, I think I'm going to use press. Press or push, either one works. So let's go ahead and stamp out press. Okay, so now the recipient knows to press right there. And my little bear is going to go there. Let's stamp out that sentiment and see if we can add it to the card. Okay, I'm going to cut this out with a circle. This would have been a cute idea as well, just have the inside as the sentiment. That looks really cute, but I'm going to put that on the inside because I don't want to cover up my little shaker. And I think I'm going to pop these two up with some foam dots. So I can't wait to see what everyone else made. Be sure to leave lots of love along the way. Don't forget to enter into the giveaway. Not Too Shabby and Pear Blossom Press are both giving away a $25 gift certificate to 2 lucky winners. How much are you loving Lynn's new snow globe die? I think this die is super fun and versatile. So we'll just have our little bear on an angle off to the side there. And then we'll add this to the top. Very, very cute. And then we're going to add a little bit of bling with those beautiful sparkling enamel dots that come in your little bundle. And this red is perfect. So I want to do a little sprinkling just for some added sparkle. And then we'll put our sentiment on the inside. So we got a cute sentiment. We could write with a white Jelly Roll pen. We got a little shaker there, and we press, and a cute light up feature. Isn't that cute? That is so fun. So really cute. I had a lot of fun playing with that. I hope you guys have fun too, making some light up cards and shaker cards with the brand new Ultimate Snow Globe Shaker Die by LV Handcrafted. There's some examples on the back, and then the small snow globe is designed to fit with the halo lights and the shaker pouches and domes by Pear Blossom Press. And you can look for tutorials by Lynn at LV Handcrafted on YouTube. So have fun, guys, on the hop. Don't forget to enter into the giveaway. All the information about the giveaway will be in the description box down below. Take care, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.